In this video, we're going to look at the page transition add-on, which allows you to add a logo while your customers are browsing between pages. So, step 1 is to just navigate to theme settings. Step 2 is to locate the page transition add-on. Step 3 is to just select an image. So let's test it out. And if you want to make that logo bigger, just go down to logo width. Now, if you want to add an SVG logo, which requires less loading speed, we can just go back into Shopify and edit the code. So step 4, under themes, go to actions and press edit code. Navigate to the assets tab and just press add new asset. Then just click upload asset. And then just take this file name, copy it, and put it under SVG logo. And now we can see it there. Wicked. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.